In this video, I'm going to show you how to add signature in Outlook. Now, in order for us to get this done, I have created or opened a new message here. And then from here, what you're going to do is just click this one right here and then click signatures. So as you can see, I have created this one right here. But if you want to create a new one, just head over to the new button right here and then go ahead and name this one. I'm going to go ahead and say, for example, say personal. Okay, so this is meant for personal email addresses or something that I'm going to be replying using personal tone. Now that we are here, we can go ahead and basically start adding things. For example, let's go ahead and start with a name. I'm going to go ahead and call this one Dean Potter, say for example, that's my name. And then down below, maybe I can write here, let's say for example, if I have company, I'm gonna go ahead and try here, say YouTube tutorial services, that's the name of the company. And then down below, if you have, say for example, a phone number, you can definitely do that one. There you go. And then an email as well is going to be great. All right, and there you go. Now from this point forward, you can actually go ahead and try to make few things here. For example, here for the company, you can go ahead and click this one right here in order for you to insert a hyperlink here. All right, and then you can go ahead and close this one. Say for example, for the name, you can increase this one, make this bigger, and you can also go ahead and try to make this or make the font here different from the rest. Let's say for example, choose this one right here. Maybe we're going to look for a cursive one. All right, there you go. So I've found this one. Go ahead and click this, and then you can also go ahead and click this one in order for you to change the color. Say for example, let's choose this one right here. Now let's say that's the branding color. You can definitely do that one, and once you're satisfied, hit the OK button right here. Now if you're going to click this one and click that, you should be able to see here your signature right away. And thank you very much for watching. That is how you're going to get this done.